Good morning, guys. How are you today? Fine. Today we will continue our lessons اللي هو multiples of a whole number. Okay, let's start. We said that in order to write the multiples, first of all, we have to study the tables well. Find the missing multiples. If you look here, 6, 12, 18, we are writing which table? In order to know we are writing which table, I ask myself, 6 becomes 12, 12 becomes 18. We are adding how much? 6 plus 6 equals 12, 12 plus 6 equals 18. So we are adding 6. So we are writing table 6. So here we are writing the multiples of which number of 6? Because we are adding 6. So let's continue by writing table 6. Table 6, 6, 12, 18. Then 18 plus 6, it's how much? 24. Then plus 6, it's 30. So here, these are the multiples of which number? Multiples of 6. Now, table, which table here we are writing? 6, 9, 12, 21. This one is which table? It's table 3. So we are writing now multiples of 3. So, table 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, then 15, then 18, then 21. Here, we are writing which table? 24 started 36. We are adding 12. 36 becomes 48. We are adding 12. 48 becomes 60. We are adding 12. So we are adding 12. So we are writing the multiples of 12. Okay, so we are writing the multiples of 12. So we have to write here 12. How do we continue? We continue by adding 12. 60 plus 12, it's 72. Okay, next. Now, what do I mean by factors? Factors are the numbers that you multiply them together to give us the product. For example, let's find the factors of 24. I mean, which two numbers we multiply them together give us 24. هيدول two numbers here, we call them factors. So factors هن the two numbers that we multiply them together give us 24. The answer, we call it multiple. Okay, but here the two numbers, we call them factors. طيب من هن the two numbers we multiply them together give us 24. We know that 1 times 24 equals 24. 2 times 12 equals 24. We know that it's in table 3. 3 times 8. We know that 4 times 6 also equals 24. So these we call them factors. So what are the factors of 24? عندنا 1 with 24, with 2, with 12, with 3, with 8, with 4, with 6. These all of them are factors of 24. Okay? Let's do now exercise 6 together. Write the first 10 multiples of which number? 8. 10 multiples of 8. So now we have to write table 8, not table 10, لأنه I said of 8. Multiples of which number? Multiples of 8. So we have to write table 8. Okay, but how many numbers in table 8? Just 10 numbers. So I will draw now 10 dashes in order to know where should I stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. At the end, place 3 points because we can continue more and more لأنه multiples of 8 هن plenty. Okay, دايما لما أقول multiples يعني أنا هلا بدي أكتب الأنسرز بتable 8 we have to start with 0. دايما بكل التيبلز في عنا 0. 0 times 8 0. 0 times 9 0. 0 هو multiple لكل النمبرز موجود بكل التيبلز. We have to write table 8. الأنسرز بتable 8 هن 0 8. If you forgot table 8 you can continue by adding 8. So when I say multiples of 8, we will add how much? We will add 8. 0, 8. We'll start with 0 and 0 multiple all numbers. Then we'll continue by adding 8. 8 plus 8, 16. Plus 8, 24. We will continue by adding the same number اللي هو 8. 24 plus 8, 32. 32 plus 8, 40. 40 plus 8, 48. Then plus 8, 56. Plus 8, 64, plus 8, 72. Okay, so we are adding 8. We are adding 8. We will write just 10 numbers because they said write the first 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we stop here. Okay? On Friday, you will do exercise 7 as a homework. You will write 10 multiples of 13. So you have to add how much? You have to add 13. Write just 10 numbers. So you will write first 10 dashes. Then you will start with 0, continue by adding 13. Okay, guys? Yeah, see you. Bye-bye.